Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kusuma Raghavendra. I once again heartily welcome you all to the RM Mahostava celebration of RM International School. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you consistent upward graph of our school's achievements. And I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also makes us think deeply about our shortcomings. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which have helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards, goals ourselves and strive to achieve them in the area of academics, sports, music, classical, discipline, leadership and more. So, when we see about academics, learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The year 2024 to 25 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our grade 10th standard state board examination came out. We are happy to share with the details of commendable performance of our students. Total 32 students appeared in the board examination and 5 got distinction and 24 got first class and 3 got second class. Kumari Pujita B was the topper with 604 marks, got 96.64%, and Kumari Gayatri with scored 589 marks, 94.24% was the second topper, and Kumari Monica was the third topper with 555 marks, 88.80%. We are aiming for state first rank and have adopted various measures to achieve our goal. We have taken extra coaching classes for the board examinees, regular weekly tests and special counseling sessions for children are some of these steps. So when we see about sports, to be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, keep on trying. Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students participated in different sports competitions and won medals, certificates and trophies. Our students went to national level in lacrosse game held at Jaipur, Rajasthan and brought laurels to the school. Our students also participated in Bangalore division level sports in under 14 and under 17 girls ball badminton held at Davanagere as well as under 14 and under 17 boys throw ball held at Madhugere. We have regular yoga classes in our school campus. When we look at school houses, strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from unity. Jayashri and Muzamil are the school head girl and head boy. The students of the school are divided into four different houses: emerald, sapphire, diamond, and ruby. Each house is managed by housemasters, associate housemasters, house captains, and house prefects. The house on duty perform its duty of conducting the day-to-day activities. Competitions in systematic and disciplined manner. So, our school activities all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Various co-curricular activities are held to develop a child's physically, morally, socially and mentally, and to hone skills in scholastic areas. Regular inter-house activities were held in which the students participated and display their caliber. So, we have conducted school trips. After starting a new academic year, we have taken all the children to the Kurdumala to get the blessings of Lord Ganesha. For small students, field trips to show flower and vegetable gardens. Third and fourth standard students taken to Kaivara, Isha Temple, Rangasthala, Muddenahalli and Nandi Hills. High school students 3 days tour for Kerala. We also took 3rd to the 10th standard for Devraj Aras Medical College to show science exhibition. So, RM family consists of well-trained, experienced and dedicated teaching staff, administrative staff and supporting staff. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. So, our teachers, including our headmistress, Mrs. Rajaraja Rajeshwari and Mrs. Jennifer, constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs. We have senior most teachers who already got best teacher award in various activity. So when we see about infrastructure, we have upgraded our infrastructure facility, including our computer lab, science lab, library and students gallery. Under the Smart Class project, we have converted our all classes into digitally smart classes. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. We at RM International School will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standards of this portal of education. This report is sincerely attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. On this memorable occasion, as we recount our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed effort of a committed team called RM International School. In the end, I would like to conclude with the lines, "Don't tell us sky is the limit when there are footprints on the moon." Thank you. Jai Hind.
Watch us twist and turn to the beat. So that's Kabul and Tukur Tukur.
culture alive through Kathakali, Kerala Nadanam, and Mohiniyattam dance forms.
True, they're also ready to show us about a bond which is beyond any connection, desire, and expectations.
What? Which bond are you speaking?
It's about the friendship between Krishna and Kuchela.
True, their friendship is beyond wealth, status, and time because one was a king and other a poor Brahmin. They teach us the true bonding of friendship.
So let's immerse ourselves in this cultural symphony.
Lights down, music up, our children are
ready to take the stage.
Attention please. Get ready everyone. Now we are ready to take you all to the God's country, Kerala.
Yes, Jayashree, with this performance, we are all set to take a beautiful journey and welcome you all to experience it.
വർണ്ണശബളനിനാട് പല വർണ്ണശലഭങ്ങൾ നിറമാല ചാർത്തും ഈ
ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯಗಳೇ ಬಂದಂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸಿಗಲಿ.
I request the parents to give a big round of applause. I request the parents. We can't hear. We want louder. We want louder.
I request Lata ma'am to join on the dais. Please ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಸಂಜೆಯ RM ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳಾದಂಥ ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳಾದಂಥ DKN ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಗುರುಗಳು GNP ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಜೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ RM ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಂಘದ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾದಂಥ ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದಂಥ ಆದಿಲ್ ಪಾಷಾ ಅವರು, ಅವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಶೈಲಜಾ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಂಘದ ಈ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚೈತ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಶಾಂತಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಓಬುಲಡ್ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು 4 ಜನ ಈ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಗೆದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಏನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೂ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ RM ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಗ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಜನಸಾಗರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸುತ್ತೂರ್ತ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅವರ್ PS ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಐ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ ಪೇಪರ್. ಐ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಸರ್. And I also welcome Narsim Shetty sir, Vijay Karnataka of Mulbal Taluk. I heartily welcome you sir. Due to the busy schedule, few guests have to leave the program. So I welcome our Shankar sir, Camps Mulbal president, to come on to the dais please sir. And I also welcome LH International School, Shivraj sir. And I also welcome Adil Pasha, Noble School, and also treasurer of Camps Association Mulbal. And heartily welcome Shiv Shankar Reddy, Delhi International School.
Dear audience, please give a big round of applause.
Thank you for inviting me here as a chief guest for the RM Mahotsava 2026. I will not come in the way of your celebrations where you are all eagerly awaiting for your children's performance. Today it is not the day for churning the scientific achievements or scientific goals or what you are going to do all that. But at the same time, we should not give a least preference for the education and other things in the wake of celebrations or the art and cultural events. All your whole year efforts of your kids should come out as a good results at the end of the academic year. ನಮಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಇಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನೋಬಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ RM ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಪ್ರೈಟರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಈ ಸದಾವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Now I request to honor our senior scientist from ISRO, Ramachandra, retired senior scientist, and also Mr. Revanna sir, ISRO scientist. I request Ramachandra sir, retired senior scientist, to come on to the stage, sir. Please, sir. Dear parents, please be seated in your places. Still the program is going on. I request all the parents to be seated in your places.